This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons cookies at home. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and fresh egg whites. It's super important that all your ingredients, especially the egg whites, are at room temperature. This helps them combine properly and achieve the right consistency. Remember, precision is key in macaron making, so measure everything carefully for the best outcome. Next up, we're perfecting the meringue, which is the backbone of your macarons. Start by whipping your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. As they begin to foam, gradually add your granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time. Continue whipping until the mixture is shiny and firm, holding its shape beautifully. This stable meringue is absolutely crucial. It provides the necessary structure for those iconic macaron feet. Don't overwhip or underwhip. Now for the macaronage, a step that truly defines your macaron shells. Gently fold your sifted almond flour and powdered sugar into the meringue. You're looking for a lava-like consistency, where the batter flows slowly and smoothly off your spatula. This usually takes about 50 to 60 folds. Once achieved, transfer the batter to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe consistent, 1.5 inch circles onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each. Finally, it's time for baking and the delicious finishing touches. Let your piped macarons rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes until a slight skin forms on top. This prevents cracking and helps develop the feet. Bake them in a preheated oven at approximately 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once completely cooled, pair up your shells and fill them with your favorite ganache, buttercream, or fruit jam. Enjoy your homemade, delightful macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.